Does your farmhouse exterior feel more like a blank canvas than a dream home? You're not alone. Many homeowners love the idea of a farmhouse look, but struggle to make it feel warm, inviting, and timeless. Here's the good news. You don't need a major renovation or sky-high budget to transform your space. With just a few thoughtful updates, your farmhouse white exterior can become a picture-perfect retreat, the kind that makes your home the star of the street. In today's video, I'll share 5 stunning farmhouse white exterior design ideas that are practical, charming, and budget-friendly. And trust me, the last idea will make your home unforgettable.
Welcome to Architecture Inspiration X, your go-to space for elegant, creative, and practical home design ideas. In today's video, we're diving into something truly transformative for your outdoor space: patio pergola ideas. So grab your favorite drink, hit that like button, and let's explore how the right pergola can turn your patio into a stunning retreat.
Classic white siding styles. The foundation of any farmhouse exterior is its white siding. From classic horizontal lap siding to modern board and batten, the right style instantly sets the tone. Board and batten for a traditional rustic farmhouse vibe. Horizontal lap siding for a clean, timeless look. Shiplap accents on gables or porches for added charm. Story example. A couple swapped outdated beige siding for crisp white board and batten, instantly giving their 80s home a fresh farmhouse feel, without changing the structure. Love the all-white farmhouse look? Smash that like button and share this video with a friend who's remodeling. Contrasting black or dark trim. Nothing makes a farmhouse white exterior pop like contrasting trim. Think black windows, bold shutters, and dark front doors that frame your home like artwork. Black steel windows create a modern farmhouse look. Dark gray or navy trim offers a softer, cozy contrast. A bold front door in black, red, or even forest green adds personality. Pro tip: keep the trim sleek and simple. Farmhouse design loves bold but clean accents. Which would you choose? A bold black trim or a softer navy look? Tell me in the comments. Metal roofs and rustic touches. Want your farmhouse to stand out? Add a metal roof. They're not just durable, they give your home a distinctive farmhouse edge. Black or charcoal metal roofs for a modern rustic feel. Add rustic wood accents like barn-style beams or shutters. Consider a tin awning over your porch for charm and shade. Bonus tip: metal roofs also reflect sunlight, keeping your home cooler in summer. Drop A if a black metal roof is on your dream home wish list. Inviting porches and railings. No farmhouse exterior is complete without a welcoming porch. It's where function meets charm. Add white railings and classic balustrades for timeless appeal. Use rustic wood posts to mix in warmth. Style with swings, rocking chairs, and layered rugs. Pain point example: many porches look too empty. Adding layered furniture, lanterns, and planters makes it cozy instead of bare. Want my porch styling checklist? Check the link in the description. Landscaping and natural accents. Finally, let's talk about landscaping, the finishing touch for any farmhouse exterior. Plant boxwoods, hydrangeas, or lavender for a cottage-like charm. Use gravel paths or stone walkways to frame your home. Add farmhouse accents like galvanized tubs, wooden barrels, or lantern planters. Bonus: white homes reflect light beautifully, so your greenery and flowers will look even more vibrant. Want a full farmhouse-friendly plant list? It's in the description below. So here's the question: does your farmhouse exterior feel flat or ready to wow? The truth is, you don't need a total remodel to fall in love with your home again. Just start with one of these farmhouse upgrades. Classic white siding styles, contrasting black or dark trim, metal roofs and rustic touches, inviting porches and railings, landscaping and natural accents. Each one adds warmth, charm, and timeless curb appeal.